In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the chart scale, or axis scale, in Google Sheets on desktop. This is a handy skill to have, allowing you to gain more precise control over how your data is visually represented. Whether you're working on a detailed project for work or organizing personal data, understanding how to adjust the scale can make a significant difference in how your charts communicate information. Let's get started by opening the chart editor. To do this, simply double-click on your chart. You'll notice that the Chart Editor panel appears conveniently on the right side of your screen. If you're not seeing it pop up immediately, try clicking on the three dots menu located at the top right corner of your chart, and then select Edit Chart. This will also take you to the Chart Editor. Once you're in the Chart Editor, your next step is to navigate to the Customize tab. Click on it, and you'll see a range of options to tailor your chart to your liking. Focus on the axes that you want to adjust, whether it's the vertical or the horizontal. You'll want to expand the section of the axis you're interested in, which will give you more detailed controls. Now, let's set the minimum and maximum values for your chosen axis. In the expanded section, look for the input boxes labeled Min and Max. This is where you'll type in the specific numbers that you want to define the bounds of your axis. Once you've entered these values, you'll see your chart update immediately, providing a visual representation that fulfills your requirements. For those looking to dive a little deeper, there are additional options available to refine your chart even more. You might consider using a scale factor. This means adjusting how the units are displayed in some chart types. It can be particularly useful in certain scenarios where the default setting doesn't quite align with your presentation goals. For a more advanced approach, you have the option to enable a log scale for the axis. This is a powerful feature designed for charts that require a logarithmic scale, often useful in scientific or financial analysis. Finally, don't overlook the importance of adjusting the grid lines or tick intervals. Still within the Customize tab, head to Grid Lines and Ticks. Here, you can set the major step or interval for your axis ticks, which simply means how often the labels appear on your chart. Adjusting this can significantly affect how dense or spread out your axis labels appear, giving your chart the right balance between detail and readability. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've learned how to effectively change the chart scale in Google Sheets on a desktop. Once you're done, take a moment to review your chart to ensure that it clearly conveys the data story you're aiming to tell. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!